Walk, jog or bike to Honeymoon Beach / Caladesi Island and Pinellas Trail. Detached 2,340 square feet townhome in desirable Dunedin, situated on a gorgeous wooded preserve lot backing to a creek. Beautiful first floor bonus room with half bath and sliding doors leading to a brick pavered patio overlooking wooded nature preserves. Large living room with fireplace and sliders leading to balcony with stunning views. Kitchen with Corian countertops, breakfast bar and new stainless steel appliances opens to a light and bright family room with large windows. Master suite with walk-in closet and sliders leading to a second balcony overlooking the creek and wooded preserves. Large master bath with soaking tub and separate shower. Laundry room is conveniently located on the same floor. New AC and air handler in 2018. This home is move-in ready. Fantastic location, close to shopping, fine dining, golf courses and marinas, walking distance to the Causeway and Honeymoon Island. 5 minutes to downtown Dunedin, 15 to 20 minutes to the famous Clearwater Beach, 25 to